Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a mix playlist on Spotify with friends. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So here are the general steps to create a mix playlist on Spotify with friends. So first thing we need to do is launch the Spotify app on your device. Tap on your library at the bottom of the screen. Select create the plus button on the top right corner, then new playlist. After creating the name of the playlist, tap on create, then open it. Look for the three dots options menu at the upper left of the playlist screen. Find and choose to tap on My Collaborative or similar option. Again, using the three dots menu, choose Share or Share Playlist. Select your preferred sharing method, for example, through Spotify, usernames, links, or social media. And now, if you share via Spotify usernames, enter the usernames of the friends you want to collaborate with. If you share a link, your friends can open the link and join the collaborative playlist. Once the playlist is collaborative, your friends can add songs to it. They can open the playlist and use the add button to contribute songs. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.